Hello, food lovers! Today, we are diving into a classic Russian salad. It's creamy, it's crunchy, and it's super delicious. No wonder it's a favorite in so many homes. Russian salad is perfect for potlucks, picnics, or a light lunch. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make. So, put on your aprons and let's get chopping. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients. This is the most exciting part, as we bring together all the fresh and vibrant components that will make our salad truly special. Don't worry, you probably already have most of them in your kitchen. A well-stocked pantry and fridge are your best friends here. Potatoes, 2 medium, about 300 grams, cooked and diced. These will add a hearty texture to our salad. Carrots, 2 medium, about 200 grams, cooked and diced. They bring a lovely sweetness and vibrant color. Pickles, 4, about 150 grams, diced. Their tangy crunch will add a delightful contrast. Green peas, 1 cup, fresh or frozen. These little gems add a pop of color and a burst of freshness. Mayonnaise, 1 cup. Use your favorite kind. It will bring everything together with its creamy texture. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. These seasonings will enhance all the flavors. Fresh dill, a handful, chopped, for that extra flavor. This herb will add a refreshing and aromatic touch to our salad, making it truly irresistible. Now comes the fun part, assembling our salad. Ready? Let's do it. This is where all our hard work pays off, and we get to see our ingredients come together in a beautiful, delicious harmony. First, grab a big bowl. You want plenty of room to mix. A spacious bowl ensures that all the ingredients get evenly distributed, making every bite perfect. Next, toss in your diced potatoes, carrots, and pickles. These veggies add a wonderful crunch and a burst of flavor to our salad. Make sure they're evenly diced for a consistent texture. Then add the green peas. If you're using frozen peas, make sure they're thawed. These little green gems add a pop of color and a sweet taste that balances the other ingredients. Now, for the creamy magic, gently fold in the mayonnaise. This will bind all the ingredients together, giving our salad that rich, creamy texture we love. Time to season. Sprinkle in some salt and pepper. Remember, you can always add more later, so start with a little and adjust to taste. Seasoning is key to bringing out the flavors. Finally, give everything a good mix, making sure the mayonnaise coats everything evenly. This step ensures that every bite is packed with flavor and all the ingredients are well combined. Enjoy your delicious creation. Section 4, Salad Secrets from my kitchen to yours. Welcome to a delightful journey of flavors and textures. Want to make your Russian salad even more special? Elevate your dish with these simple yet effective tips. Here are a few tricks. These will not only enhance the taste but also add a gourmet touch to your homemade salad. For a zesty twist, add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard to the mayonnaise. This will give your salad a tangy kick that's sure to impress. Love a bit of crunch? Adding texture can make a world of difference. Finely chop some celery and add it to the mix. The crispiness of the celery will complement the creaminess of the salad perfectly. Make it a meal. Serve your Russian salad with grilled chicken or fish. This not only makes it more filling but also adds a protein boost, making it a well-rounded meal. Section 5. Your turn to spread the Russian salad. Joy. See? I told you it was easy. Now you can impress your friends and family with this classic dish. Don't forget to share your culinary masterpiece on social media and tag me. I can't wait to see your delicious creations. Happy cooking!